Most fighters think hand speed is about trying harder. They grit their teeth, tense their shoulders, and try to muscle the punch to the target. Big mistake. Real speed isn't a strength contest, it's a neurological skill. When you tense up, you're essentially putting the brakes on your own nervous system. Think of it this way: tension is friction, and friction is the enemy of fast. Number 1, the whip versus the stick. If you want to understand speed, stop thinking about your arm as a rigid board, and start thinking about it as a whip. A whip cracks because energy flows uninterrupted from the handle to the tip. In your body, that handle is the floor. The energy travels through your legs, into your hips, across your core, and finally snaps through your fist. If any part of that chain is stiff, if your shoulder is hiked up or your fist is clenched too early, the energy dies. You aren't punching, you're pushing. Number 2, the 30% power rule. The best way to train this: stop trying to kill the bag. Shadow box at about 30% power. Focus entirely on your face and shoulders. If your jaw is locked, your hands are slow. If your traps are flexed before you even move, you've already lost. The secret: keep your hand like a loose, heavy bag until the very last inch. Snap the fist shut at the moment of impact, then immediately let it go limp as it returns to your face. Number 3, stop arm punching. Speed starts at the feet. If your hand moves before your hip rotates, you're arm punching. It's slow, it's weak, and it's easy to see coming. Drill this, throw your cross, but focus 100% on snapping your hip forward. Let the hand just go along for the ride. When the hip fires, the hand follows like a gunshot. Number 4, the hot stove principle isn't just about how fast the punch goes out, it's about how fast it comes back. A lot of guys leave their hands hanging in the air for a split second after the punch. That kills your combination speed. Imagine the target is a red-hot stove. The second you touch it, your hand should snap back to your guard like a rubber band. Number 5, training for bursts. Don't just grind out 3-minute rounds of steady punching. That trains endurance, not speed. Work in high-intensity bursts. Throw 3 to 5 punches as fast as humanly possible while staying completely relaxed. Stop, breathe, reset, repeat. If you feel that burn in your shoulders, you're getting tight, shake it out and start over.